Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You must start by confirming the scooter is registered to your Ola account and that the scooter's GPS is active. This lets Ola share live location. Once done, make sure your phone has an active internet connection and location services enabled so the app can display positions. Now open the Ola app, sign in with the account tied to the scooter, and go directly to My Vehicles. This first action initializes the live tracking request and prepares the app to fetch the scooter's coordinates. After you select the scooter, tap the live location or tracking icon to request real-time coordinates. The app pings the scooter platform and overlays coordinates on the map. If the app asks for extra permissions, location, background refresh, or notifications, grant them so updates continue when the screen locks. Once the map appears, observe movement and the timestamp. If the scooter isn't updating, try the refresh button or close and reopen the view. This forces a fresh API call and often resolves stale positions. To finish, use the app's share location or send data option to communicate the live map link with someone else. That's useful for pickups. Make sure the scooter's battery isn't dead and that its GPS and mobile link are functioning. Dead battery or poor cellular signal commonly breaks tracking. If you still can't get live updates, restart the app, toggle your phone's location. Then contact Ola support with the vehicle ID and last known timestamp, so they can troubleshoot backend or hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.